expenditure around 12 crore rupees. JHADC Chairman Sanki Changpung and Nong Spung Soyong MDC Sher Borlang El Maulong joined NPP on Thursday. These two MDCs joined the National People's Party in the presence of NPP National President and Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, MP Rajya Sabha W.R. Kharlukhi and other party members.
The people within my constituency.
And hence every decision you make, every work that you do must be guided by a spirit of serving the people of the state and the country. So if you don't keep the people at the heart of what you do, then you will get lost in this entire complexity of politics and public service.
Bharatiya Janata Yuva